Do you love wood burning? Are you ready to escape the grind of everyday life? At the Burn Savvvy Woodburning Retreat, your pyro escape is waiting for you this fall. I'm Jannie Lisonbee, founder of burnsavvy.com, and I invite you to join me and about a dozen of your fellow pyros to explore the wonderful world of wood burning in the luxury of a gorgeous private cabin nestled into the woods of Flagstaff, Arizona. Meals and lodging included. Satisfy your burning desire to play with all the top name brand wood burners. Try new tools, techniques, different kinds of wood and other materials to burn. Try different paints, patterns, and wood burning projects. Explore pyrography books from the comfort of the couch with inspirational mountain views, rich autumn colors, and crisp forest air. Enjoy delicious meals and snacks with other artists and crafters who know and love the art of pyrography. No skill level required. Join me at burnsavvy.com/retreat. Scroll down and click the Book Now button. That will take you to the booking section where you can choose the tickets you want, place them in your cart, fill out your details, and click the green button to reserve your tickets today, or click the arrow where you can pay through PayPal. If you book now, you get a free welcome gift in the mail. Space is limited. Book your pyro escape with Burn Savvy Woodburning Retreat tickets today. See you there. Later, Pyro.